Let's talk about closure when you're going through heartbreak. Do you need closure? When I broke up with my specific person, I wanted closure so badly from him. I wanted him to tell me that what we had actually meant something, that it wasn't a waste of time, and that when it was over, he was hurting as much as I was. Because for some reason, the stories that I was making up in my head was that I was the victim. I was the one that was abandoned and rejected, and he was happy and living his life, and I was the one that was miserable and suffering. And that story got me nowhere. And I was deep in that story for months until I realized I didn't want to be stuck anymore. I didn't want to waste my time suffering over a person that was no longer in my life. I was determined to create closure for myself. And I did that by doing a lot of inner work, especially inner child work. I needed to create safety and security within myself, and I needed to trust me. I had to validate me. And I had to realize that this heartbreak is my journey. And I started to see it as a portal to an awakening. I started to see it as something that will allow me to grow into someone better. I have a free tapping meditation that will take you from heartbreak to magnetic and peace at the link in my profile page. Please do yourself a favor and try this tapping meditation. It's completely free, and you'll see just how easy it is to actually create that peace and safety within yourself. You don't need anyone else to tell you you're okay. You can do that yourself. And if you want to go deeper, please join my 30-day tapping journey to heal heartbreak. There's no course out there like this. It's incredibly powerful to shift energy using EFT tapping. And I know that you will become a new person after the 30 days, before that even. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.